In this video, I will compare between AutoDS and Minea and help you decide which dropshipping tool is better for you. Minea helps you find winning products by showing ads that perform well on platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. You can filter ads based on engagement rates, call to action, and platform type. Minea also estimates how much revenue a product is generating. In Minea, the Facebook ads start from $49 per month only, where Facebook plus TikTok plus Pinterest ads start from $99 per month. It also offers one-click product import to Shopify, which starts from $399 per month. If you want TikTok ads, which are crucial today, you must pay for the $99 per month plan. On the other hand, AutoDS offers much more valuable at a lower cost. It includes winning product marketplace, TikTok ad spy tool, one-click product import, and picked product recommendations fulfilled by AutoDS service, print-on-demand options, and product sourcing on demand. AutoDS also provides price and stock monitoring, automatic price optimization, tracking number updates, AI-generated product titles and descriptions, and AI-powered Shopify store building. The basic Shopify plan starts from $19.90 per month and $26.90 per month, which is monthly basis. Compared to Minea's $49 minimum, AutoDS offers more features at a lower price point. In conclusion, while Minea is decent for ad spying, AutoDS provides a full suite dropshipping solution including product discovery, automation, fulfillment, and AI tools. So that's it for the comparison today. If this comparison helps, like, share, and subscribe.